Hi, my name's Jamu and I've been playing drums for about 8-9 years, give or take. I'm currently in an active alternative metal band called It Kills You. You can find us on every music platform all the way from Apple Music, YouTube, and Spotify. If you get into the alternative sound and emo sound, check us out. The stick size that I use now through Collision are standard 5A drumsticks. A couple things that I like about the brand are the drumsticks, specifically the drumsticks. I'm a nerd with that stuff. The drumsticks, now that I have through Collision, right here, they're super light. I love it. That's a really big thing for me, that the fact that they're light. It's easy to move faster now between the kit because, as you can tell behind me, I have a really big kit. So they're very light, very durable because I'm a heavy hitter and I like beating the drum heads a lot. Another thing is the manufacturing and the merchandise all behind the company is top notch, well-rounded all around. The quality of everything is just by far insanely good. And lastly, just the company as a whole, they're super nice, and that's very hard to find within a company. The fact that they're willing to work with artists to help them reach their goals and vice versa, help them out. So I like the back and forth and the connection that the company and the artist can have between each other. And that's really, really cool. And thank you guys for letting me join in on this. I can't wait to keep going forward with you guys. And as of right now, I'm going to be playing the drum playthrough of my band's recent single from last year called Leeches. You can find it on every music platform. Check it out, it's a banger. But here we go, Leeches by my band, It Kills You.